guys, hope you're doing well today. We're here with the WellFire SR22. We're going to be checking out accuracy, and we'll also have a little bit of fun with it. I picked this great looking gun up for 200 bucks Canadian, so that's only about 140 bucks US. Steal of a deal. The gun has a nice and sturdy all metal bolt and receiver, as well as a metal Picatinny rail on top, where I have my real Rand scope attached. The gun ships with a fully upgraded piston, cylinder, spring, and spring guide. So this will be getting you between about 450 and 480 FPS, depending on your BB weight. It also has an upgraded all metal barrel. Coming in at this price point, it was a nice surprise to see that there's a few upgrades installed under the hood. I also really like the trigger on this gun. It has a nice Glock style trigger safety, as well as a manual safety. The all metal magazine holds 20 rounds, and it works great. I've had no hang-ups or jams. The one part of the gun that has not been touched is the hop-up unit. It's not doing much for you, trust me. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn that hop-up all the way down if you're going to want to improve your accuracy. Alright, enough talking, let's get to the shooting. Okay, we're just set up here. We'll take a 5-shot group. We're just going to sight it in. This is our first group. Alright, we're set up in the cave here at 23 feet. Too bad I pulled that last shot. Both those groups look pretty decent though. Now that we have it sighted in, let's check out a target a little bit more fun. These peeps make some great little reactive targets. You always have a few kicking around in the cupboard after Easter. I can't wait to get into the field with this new sniper of mine. It's going to make the game for sure a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. As always, I really appreciate it. Take care of yourselves.